Hello, amazing all-stars. It's number corner time again. Today is Tuesday, November 2nd. Let's check our number corner calendar and find out what's going on with our calendar. Whoa! A bear ate the whole cookie. Oh my goodness. Didn't expect to see a bear on our calendar today. Let's add that information to our minds. We're going to do a few things today. Let's count our days in school. We're adding on another day. And now this makes 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43 days of school together. Let's clear all of this out. Write the number 43. I also want to tell you that I want to teach you there are number words too. So I'm actually adding the number word 43 as another way to explain that. In addition to showing that we have 4 groups of 10. So 4 tens, 3 ones, and I'm going to write a math fact to explain that number. 40 plus 3 equals 43. Great job, all stars. Can you make a math fact that equals 43? You can pause the video now, write down at least 2 ways to make 43, and then come right back. All right, since you've had a chance to do that, I'm going to show you something new for our number corner for November. As we continue to talk about the times on our clock, we're going to add another hour to our clock, which now makes our time 2 o'clock. And what we will do is change where that little hand is on our clock. As we work with it, we'll add another arm on the clock to show it pointing towards the 2. I'm trying to do it very clearly for you. And add the 2 here to show 2 o'clock. I am also going to grab my digital clock to show 2 o'clock. Remember, the clock that has the hands is the analog clock. It has an hour hand, which is a shorthand, and the minute hand, which is that longer hand. We'll talk more about how that longer hand also helps us tell time. But that little hand shows us that it is pointing towards the 2, and that 2 shows us that it is 2 o'clock. This is how 2 o'clock is written. This is how 2 o'clock is shown on a digital clock. And this is how 2 o'clock is shown on an analog clock. Very important that we go through those things. I do want to show you that something else we have is we're going to keep track of what happens on our calendar with that particular information. We had one whole cookie eaten. A bear ate one whole cookie. Make that bigger for you, because that's what's going on. We're writing down, do we have a whole, a half, or a fourth? We'll be talking about these words throughout the entire month of November. We will also continue to add a sentence explaining what is happening on our calendar. Great job, All Stars. There is something else that I would like you to do at this time. I want to challenge you, my dears, with a number line in which you are going to be counting, and as you are counting, I want you to count going forward and backwards. We're going to start at the number 40, and we're going to go all the way to the number 60. So we're going to start at 40, and we're going to go all the way to the number 60. And then we are going to count going backwards from the 60 all the way to the 40. So can we count together? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Ooh, can we count going backwards? 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Amazing job, All Stars. Super proud of you. Keep up the great work. Have a great day.